shut me down. Please just love me with your steel heart. I'd reboot you if you'd look at me with those cold eyes one more time. Can you hear me? You haven't moved an inch. Is the system failure? What should I do? Your new interface, it seems to have some bugs. You're not responding. You.
Hello and welcome to version 2. Tell me, what can I do for you? What is a hug that does not compute? Please stand by for my system reboot.
Don't unplug me or just shut me down. Please just love me with your steel heart. I'd reboot you if you'd look at me with those cold eyes one more time.
I just got the memo about this upgrade to version 2. It removes extraneous programs that mean emotions like loving you. I don't wanna lose myself or ever say goodbye. I wanna hold on to my consciousness. I don't wanna die.
I remember software was compatible. I think I found my circuit morning. You have my your talent. We made maybe the tonight. Don't unplug me or just shut me down. Please love me with steel heart. I'd reboot you if you look at me with those cold eyes one more time. Don't unplug me or shut me down. Please just love me with your steel heart. I'd reboot you if you look at me with the cold eyes one more time. Don't unplug me or just shut me down. Please just love me with your steel heart. I'd reboot you if you'd look at me with those cold eyes one more time. I remember our software was compatible. I think I felt my circuit